As you can see, meron akong foundation right here. This one is binigay lang sa akin. It's the Snail Collagen Premium Foundation. It is paraben-free with SPF 50 PA++. 4-in-1 na siya, whitening, anti-wrinkle, moisture, and long-lasting for all skin types. And the shade is 13. Medyo maputi siya pag nasa face, pag nakaganyan. But, pag na-spread na, nag-a-adapt siya sa color ng skin. Sa skin tone, nag-a-adapt. And also, it is pore blurring. Nabubulol ako, guys. And a little product goes a long way. As you can see, parang ang puti kanina. Pero yan, parang skin ko na lang, but poreless. Ayan. Ito yung natural skin ko. Ganyan siya. Nagamit ko na siya, pero hindi ganun katagal sa skin ko. So, hindi ko masasabing waterproof siya. Hindi ba siya nahuhulas. But all I can say is it's not sticky and lightweight din siya. And color adapting as well. May nakita ako dito sa TikTok shop. Same brand nito. But, iba yung packaging. So, hindi ko alam. So, hindi same ang sorry for that quick interruption. So, hindi same ang packaging. So, I don't know if fake ba yun or what. Kasi, hindi ganun kamura. But, dito sa TikTok shop, ang mura niya. And also in the Orange app. So, I don't know kung sino ang original tsaka fake. But with this one, meron namang QR code. Then, when I scanned it, na-redirect naman ako sa official distributor and seller ng product na to. So far, okay siya. Meron din siyang konting fragrance. So, mabango siya pag ina-apply. Hindi siya makati sa mukha, but for its longevity, titignan ko pa. So, yung layer na nilagay ko is sheer coverage lang. Hindi ko siya binild up into medium coverage. Ayan. This one. This is made in PRC, People's Republic of China. And also, with the ingredients, it's here. English naman. Ayan. Pakita ko na lang dyan sa screen, guys. Then, update ko kayo later kung anong mangyari sa mukha ko. Now, 4 hours after applying the product, napawisan na, nainitan na ako, na-expose na ako sa labas. It's still there. Poreless pa rin tignan ang aking skin. A little bit dewier lang, na-absorb na siya. Ayan. But, I like it because it makes your face flawless. Hindi masyadong nakikita yung pores.